In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the YouTube thumbnails Photoshop packs for fitness and well-being, which are available on this website. Here are a couple of examples that I have created with each of these packs. As you can see down the right hand side here are the layer panels which we're going to be using, and it's quite easy to change the look and feel of each of these packs by adding new images in to these packs. There are 4 packs in total, and it's up to you which you use, but you can actually tailor these packs to your own brand look and feel, and that's what we're going to be looking at in this quick tutorial. So once you've downloaded these packs, these are what they look like in Photoshop. They're kind of a bit of a blank canvas really for you to add your images to. So you want to add your images just below where it says image here on the right hand side, and that's the same for each of these packs. You'll have the image here in the layer panel down below, so just to show you where you should add your images. To add an image, it's literally you just drag and drop the image in, or you can do file open and drag that in as well. So I'm just going to resize this image as if I was using this image as a mindfulness or overcoming anxiety. So I've now placed the image in there, I'm just resizing it, and then I will drag this below where it says image here. So I'm going to drag that down to the bottom. This image was found on Unsplash, so if you use Unsplash you can find images like this, but I always recommend using your own images if and where possible. It might not always be the case. I'm just going to resize this to work with this template by using the corners and holding shift. And all I'm doing is just getting it to work on this right hand side. So I'm now happy with the placement of that, and I'm going to change the colour of this band and this colour here to suit my brand. So if I have my own fitness or well-being brand, I'll probably want to change these 2 colours here to match my branding. To do that, we go and click on left colour, double click on that, and it'll open this panel, this layer style panel. Click on colour overlay and click on the colour there, and we can change this to our brand colour. So I don't have a fitness and well-being brand, but if I did, I'd probably use turquoise as a nice colour, maybe a nice deep turquoise. If you have the hex codes for your brand colours, paste the brand colour in there, click OK and press OK. And you might want to change this other colour as well. To do that, it's the same process. Click on right colour in the layer panel, colour overlay, and change that colour. I'm actually quite happy with that. I might make it a little bit darker, but I'm happy with that sort of burnt orange look on this. Now it's time to change this text area here. So to do so, where it says bicep curls on the right hand side, I'm going to change this text here to something more suitable. So the next thing you might want to do if you have brand fonts as well as your brand colours is to change the font to the one that's associated with your brand. It's pretty easy to do, just change it to your brand font. So continue to tweak the design to your brand look and feel. Change the colours, change the type, and obviously change the text to suit the video that you have done. We're going to quickly take a look at another one of the packs now and how you can use this to create a thumbnail even if you have not got a fitness and well-being business. So we're inside pack number 2, and this is what it looks like once you've downloaded the pack and opened the pack in Photoshop. I've added this image here, which is a nice sort of coffee making image, and we're going to make a thumbnail that surrounds a coffee montage. Let's say you're making a Peter McKinnon style coffee montage video and you want to show people how to make these sorts of videos. This would be the thumbnail for that. So I've got this image, I'm just going to place it down behind the image here layer, and then I'm going to change the orientation of this image as well. So I'm going to go to edit and transform and flip horizontal. That's going to put the coffee image on the right hand side. I'm actually quite happy with that. is looking already. Like before in our other pack, we're going to change this look and feel of this layer here. To do so, layer 1 is the layer we need to change, so double click on layer 1, go to color overlay, and you can change this to your brand look and feel. I'm just going to use the eyedropper to select a color from the image, so it could be one of these silver colors, could be one of these red colors from the shirt, they're sort of dark black grey type color, which I'm actually liking the look of. So now I've selected that sort of dark blue, we'll click OK, press OK again. Now it's time to change this section here, this box with the text inside it. To change the color of this box, we go to fill in appearance. This is in my properties tab. I'm just going to bring that over so you can see that on the screen there. So you can get this properties tab by going to window and then properties. So here in the properties tab is the appearance to this box here. So we'll click on fill and we can change it to any color that we like. We can click on there to bring up this color palette. It also does, like before, this eyedropper. So let's see if we can change that to a nice red. Click OK, and now that's changed that to a nice red, which is a sample color of that bit of the image there. We can also change it to the green or the orange by doing something very similar. So click OK, and now it's the color of the orange of the cup, which is what we're going to use this time. Just going to move that back over to the right side. Now it's time to change the text here, so where it says beginner. So use the text tool, select that and select the text. I'm going to put in here how to film A. There we go. We'll change the shape of this box now by clicking on the box. You can click on the box on the color box 3, or you could use the command and click to select it, or if you've got auto select ticked here, it will automatically select that layer depending on if you've got that ticked to the top there. So I'm going to click on that box and I'm going to go Command T for transform, and now we can see it's got these arrows. To make it wider, we're just going to drag that box left to right. Press enter and that gets rid of the transform tool. This bottom bit here we're going to change to the word coffee montage. Now that we've got that changed, I'm going to make a few small tweaks and change this type to be more on brand. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So there you can see we've used pack number 2, we've manipulated it to a different brand look and feel altogether, so it doesn't even need to be a fitness or well-being brand that you can use these for. You can literally use them for anything that you wish. So I'm going to jump into pack 3 and 4 now and create 2 more graphics. I'm going to add an image to each of these packs. I'm going to change the colours to a different brand look and feel. I'm going to change the fonts and the wording. I'm going to get them ready for export. They're also going to look like a template once they're finished. So you can use these templates for your brand each and every time you want to dip in, add an image, change the text, and it should only take you a maximum of around 5 minutes to create your thumbnails, and each one will look like they belong to the same person and it'll have a cohesive brand look and feel. There we have 4 different thumbnails for YouTube, one for the fitness and well-being industry, but the other 3 I tailored as an example to different brands, just like you can do to tailor to your brands using fonts and colours, etc. To edit these packs, you'll need a copy of Photoshop. I've left an affiliate link in the description of this video. Also in the description of this video is the shop link to buy these packs, so you can buy them. They come in a pack of 4. Use them to your heart's content. As I say, it's not just for the fitness industry. You can use these to your whatever brand you may have. You might have a gardening brand or a photography brand, but you can just tailor these using some of the tutorials that I've used in this video. Hope you got something out of this video, and I look forward to your feedback, and feel free to leave a comment. Tell me how you've used this video, if it's worked for you or not. If you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Thanks for checking out this video, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Take care. Bye for now. In this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to edit the YouTube thumbnail pack for fitnesses. And for fitnesses, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the put your teeth back in, Paul. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the YouTube thumbnail Photoshop files for fitnesses, and these are still a template that you can use over and over again to make things quicker and more cohesive, and I am rambling on. Should speed up your workflow, should make it 5 times easier. How have I come to that number?